Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. All of you open your new Oxford Modern English Primer A textbook page number 14. Right here today's date. The date is 10th July 2020. Subject is English and the day is Friday. Today we will read the words with the help of small letter E and F, and its sound is E and F. This is the letter E, small letter E, and its sound is E. Let's start reading with the sound of E. Read with me. E ear, E egg, E elephant, E engine, E eye, E elbow. Look at here. This is also the small letter F and its sound is F. Read with me. F frog, F fish, F fan, F finger, F face, F flag. Read it again with S sound. E ear, E egg, E elephant, E engine, E eye, E elbow. F frog, F fish, F fan, F finger, F face, F flag. Let's come on the textbook page number 15. Date up this page also. Write here small e. How we can write this letter? Let's learn. First of all, put your lead pencil on this point. Start below to the middle line. Draw a sleeping line and go to the upper line and make a curve till the bottom like this. On this first line, all of you trace the letter E, and below this line write letter E by yourself. Okay, look at here. Here given a yellow box. In this box, all of you find the letter small e and then circle it in all this box. Where E lies, you will be circle it like this. Let's come on the next letter. This is the small letter F, and learn how we can write small f. For this, start from the top, from here. Make a curve with a standing line till the bottom and go to the middle on this point and draw a sleeping line across like this. All of you on this line trace the small letter F, and below this line all of you write small letter F by yourself. Let's come below. Here two things are given for you. First of all, look at here what these things are given. Fan and egg are given, and there is word fan is also given. Now you find out which is fan. This one is fan? No. This is an egg. This one is fan? Yes. This is a fan. Let's tick in the below. Let's come on the next picture. Find here what is the frog. This one is the frog? No, This is a car. This one is the frog. Yes, this is a frog. Let's tick in the below like this. This page is your for homework, and all of you write here small e and here write small f. I will be check it tomorrow inshallah. Thank you.